Video 40. How to develop the vertical floor in Allplan Part 3. Finished facade Y1 to Y4. Similar to the steps of the previous tutorial, is to develop and complete the facade Y4 to Y1. In this tutorial, I will quickly manipulate some objects. First, select the drawing by double-clicking on the screen. Display the building structure folder. Select the Y1 to Y4 drawing of the active mode. Select the drawing of the ground floor in reference mode. Draw basic lines from the reference plane. View the operations performed on the display screen. Copy axis from the ground. Double-click on the screen. Display the building structure directory tree. Select drawing axis. Select all axis objects from Y1 to Y4 and press Ctrl+C on the computer keyboard. Double-click on the screen. Display the building structure directory tree. Select the vertical drawing Y1 to Y4 and press Ctrl+Alt+V on the computer keyboard. The axis is displayed exactly as on the reference plane. Rotate the object on for easy manipulation to perform the next steps. View the operations performed on the display screen. On the screen, the objects have been rotated. Next, create a floor, creating parallel objects for the facade. Create drains and hatch materials for the roof. Add all text and evaluation objects to the project. Dim the distance objects on the facade. Get some objects from the library available to complete the facade for the project. On the display, the vertical facade Y1 to Y4 has been completed for the project. Please watch the next video of developing and completing the facade in Allplan.